How to enter manual BIT mode on my old Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum. Wait for it.
If you play the machine information, press the start button, and if you enter the test mode, press the home button. Serial number 170610039708. System version 004028. Cleaning time 45 hours, 44 minutes, 20 seconds. If you want to play back, press the start button. If you want to enter test mode, press the home button. Manual BIT mode, power, hand red, 0, LED. Bumper right. Bumper left. Dust box. Wall sensor. Pass. Ultrasonic. Pass. Drop left. Drop right. Clip left front.
I can't softer the one.
Clip right front. Clip left rear. Clip right rear. Brush. Pass. Clip right rear.
Watch.
Brush. Pass. Wheel left. Pass. Wheel right. Pass. Fan. Pass. Sweep. Pass. Wheel left over current. Pass. Wheel right over current. Pass. Brush over current. Pass. Sweep over current. Pass. Gyroscope. Pass. Compass. Gyroscope. Pass. Compass. Wireless. Pass. Laser. Pass. Pass. Charging. Pass. Bumper right. Bumper left. Power off.